You're over 40, and suddenly everything feels a little tighter. Your back, your legs, even your neck. But what if I told you there's a simple fix that can loosen those knots, improve your posture, and make you feel 10 years younger? It's not about hitting the gym or buying fancy equipment. It's just stretching. Stretching isn't just for athletes or yogis. It's for everyone, and it's the most underrated way to transform your body and mind. Let me show you how just a few minutes a day can change everything. Easier movements. Think of your muscles as rubber bands. Over time, they lose their elasticity and become stiff. This is why movements that used to feel effortless, like bending down to tie your shoes, start to feel awkward. Stretching restores elasticity to your muscles, making everyday movements easier and pain-free. Here's the cool part. Stretching doesn't just help you move better, it also prevents injuries. By improving muscle flexibility, you reduce the risk of tears and strains, even during regular activities like walking or lifting groceries. You'll feel younger, move more freely, and say goodbye to those annoying aches and pains. Improved posture. Now, let's talk about posture. Years of sitting at desks, staring at screens, and slouching on the couch can take a toll on your spine. Stretching helps realign your body by loosening tight muscles around the back, neck, and shoulders. But here's where it gets even better. Proper posture reduces back pain, improves your breathing, and even helps your digestion. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for sticking around because the next benefit is something even more surprising: burning fat while you stretch. Fat burning. Yes, you heard that right. Stretching can actually help you burn fat. When you stretch, your body releases hormones that improve your metabolism. Plus, better blood circulation means more oxygen reaches your muscles, helping you burn calories more efficiently. And here's the best part. Stretching doesn't just torch fat, it sculpts your body too. By targeting specific muscle groups, you can tone areas like your legs, arms, and core, all without picking up a single dumbbell. So stretching isn't just relaxing. Basically, it's a full body transformation waiting to happen. Enhanced mood. Stretching isn't just for your body, it's a treat for your mind too. When you stretch, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that chase away stress and boost your mood. Starting your day with just a quick stretch will help you feel more focused, less anxious, and ready to tackle anything life throws at you. And did you know that stretching can even improve your sleep? By relaxing your muscles and calming your mind, you'll fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Better circulation. Stretching also does wonders for your blood flow. As you stretch, you encourage better circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every corner of your body. But why does this matter? For starters, it reduces the risk of issues like varicose veins and blood clots, which become more common as we age. Plus, improved circulation means faster muscle recovery and even healthier skin. Think of it as a 2-for-1 deal: better health and a glowing complexion. Strength building. Now, this might surprise you, but stretching doesn't just make you flexible, it actually makes you stronger. Here's how it works. Stretching lengthens your muscle fibers, which allows them to handle more stress during physical activity. So whether you're doing yoga, lifting weights, or just chasing after your kids, you'll notice a big difference in your strength and stamina. And here's a fun fact: stretching also improves your balance. This means fewer falls, fewer injuries, and more confidence in your movements. If this sounds great, but you're not sure where to begin, here are easy stretches to get started. These are simple stretches you can do every day. Number 1, the cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours. Inhale as you arch your back, cow. Exhale as you round it, cat. Repeat 8 to 10 times. Why it works? It loosens your spine and improves posture. Number 2, seated forward fold. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out. Reach for your toes, or as far as you can. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Why it works? It stretches your hamstrings and lower back. Number 3, standing side stretch. Stand tall and raise your arms above your head. Bend to one side and hold for 15 seconds. Then switch sides. Why it works? It opens up your sides and improves flexibility. Now you know how stretching can transform your body. But here's another simple habit that works wonders: squats. Curious about what happens when you do squats daily? Click here to watch the next video and discover the secret to building strength, boosting energy, and reshaping your body in ways you never imagined. Don't miss out.